Hello,
Hi,
how are
how are
you?
you?
I'm
I'm great.
very good, very good. I don't know what is going on with, my lamp acting up. Okay, nice to meet you. Where are you from?
Nice to meet you too. India.
Oh, very nice. Okay, very good. I don't get many Indian students lately. Okay, so so we only have 9 minutes. Is there something special you would like to talk about or have free conversation?
Uh, can you teach me some word meanings?
Oh,
Vocabulary is very weak. Yeah,
oh, okay.
you
So
teach
you
me
want to,
some word meanings we use daily base every day.
okay, sure, sure. So
Yeah.
on a daily basis, so I will ask you some questions. Okay. So you are from India, right?
Yes, I'm
What city in India are you from?
Jammu and Kashmir.
Okay, very good. Do
Yes.
you work?
No, I am student.
Oh, you are a student. Okay. Are you a student in high school or university?
In high school.
Okay, very good. What is your favorite subject at school?
My favorite subject is two, English and second Urdu.
Urdu. What is that? Urdu. I don't know what
Uh,
that one.
Urdu is our language.
Oh, can you write it? I will translate for you. Right here.
Mm, one moment.
Oh, Urdu. Oh,
Yes.
let's see. What language do you speak? What language do you speak? Arabic? No. You speak Hindi?
No, no,
What language do you speak?
Urdu, Urdu.
Language. Oh, yes, okay. But
Yes.
you said, oh, I understand now. I understand. Oh, okay. So your favorite subject is your language and English.
Yes,
Oh, I
I
see, I
see.
see. Okay, okay. Now I understand. Do you play sports?
No.
No. Okay. What are your hobbies?
Hobby is reading books and painting.
Painting. Oh, very nice.
Yes.
How long have you been painting?
I think mm, 6 years ago.
Oh, so you can say for
Yeah.
6 years.
Yeah.
Okay, very good. Hmm. If you could travel anywhere in the world, where would you go and why?
America. I like
Why
America. Yes.
Why
I
America?
don't know, but I I want to go America.
Okay. Maybe because it's a very big, powerful, interesting place. Okay. Very good. Very good. Okay. So right now, coronavirus is in the world. How is coronavirus in your country?
Corona so much here,
Yes. Okay. Yes.
but
A
still,
lot of people.
college, university are all closed.
Oh, so you have to stay home.
Yeah.
So you can say, my country is on lockdown. Yes.
Okay.
Oh,
Um,
lockdown. Yes. How
okay.
so how long have you been on lockdown?
Mm, 1 week.
Oh, 1 week. Okay. When will the lockdown end?
I don't know.
Oh, they didn't say. Okay.
Yeah.
Or is the vaccine available in your country?
No, no,
No?
not yet.
No.
Oh,
Really? In me? My country?
yeah.
Yes, vaccine is available for anyone.
Oh,
It's available for everyone. Yes. What if you have the chance to
is there
take the
a coronavirus
vaccine?
right now?
Yes, there
There
is
is a
coronavirus,
coronavirus
but
right now.
yes, there's coronavirus, but you can get the vaccine if you want to. Anybody, any age can get the vaccine,
Oh,
right?
okay.
Yes. If the vaccine is available to you, will you take it?
Yeah.
Yes. Okay, okay.
Yes.
Very good, very good. What do you hope to be when you are older?
Can I write here?
What what do what do you hope to be when you are older?
Mm,
Job, your job. Okay, let me ask a
mm,
different way. What job do you want when you get older?
one moment. Ah, actually, I want to be Islamic scholar.
Oh, Islamic scholar. So you want to do
Yes.
a lot of research. Okay, very good. Do you have any goals from your research?
Mm, yes, but
Mhm.
I can't explain in English. My
Okay,
English
that's
is
okay.
weak. I explain in Urdu.
Oh, okay. Can you write one sentence in Urdu and I will tell you what it means?
Mm,
Just one short sentence.
it's not.
Oh, we're out of time.
Yeah.
I will see you another time. If you like this class and you want to speak more, you can make a reservation on my schedule, okay?
Okay.
Okay. Don't forget to
Okay.
give me
Bye.
5 stars. Bye.
Bye.